The muscle car era isn't over, it's just evolved. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona takes classic American performance and charges it into the future, literally. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest vehicles shaping the road ahead. Design. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 Charger Daytona is bold, wide, and unmistakably Dodge, but now with a futuristic twist. It's fully electric, yet still aggressive, with a long hood, a fastback profile, and that signature illuminated Fratzonic badge. One standout feature? The R-wing front spoiler. It improves airflow and nods to the muscle car's racing roots. This thing turns heads, even in silence. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, you'll find the new 800-volt Banshee powertrain. Instant torque, no gears, and a 0 to 60 time that rivals supercars. And yes, it's got sound. The Fratzonic chambered exhaust delivers an engineered roar that gives you the emotional punch of a V8, without the emissions. It's not just fast, it's Dodge fast. Features and technology. Inside, the Charger Daytona brings modern tech to the muscle scene. You get a curved digital cluster, a massive center touchscreen with Uconnect 6, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a driver-focused cockpit with race-inspired touches. There's also launch control, performance modes, and Reagan braking to help you dial in the drive, whether you're commuting or carving back roads. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona isn't just a new chapter, it's a full rewrite of what a muscle car can be. Electric, loud, fast, and unmistakably Dodge. What do you think? Brilliant move or too far from tradition? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more straight talk reviews on the future of driving. See you next time.